So we got to take the loader off of my Kubota here. I got a small hydraulic leak somewhere. I'm thinking it's coming from the pump because it's leaking on the front of the motor. So we're gonna take this loader off of here so I can get a better look at and have better access to the hydraulic pump and see what's going on with that. And also I'd like to paint some of the body panels on this, because I painted the front bucket there, and now with that freshly painted, I'm motivated to paint the rest of it. So we'll see how fast I can do that, because I don't want the loader off of it for too long because I use it all the time. So we'll see. But yeah, let's get this loader off and we'll go from there. Kubota, so you gotta glow it. Kubota engines don't like to start. They're not glowing. Go find a spot to put this. Maybe here's a good spot.
Say, do you use a bolt from somewhere else?
I think you use these.
Oh, that's a good possibility.
But
That's tightening.
oh yeah, duh. Yeah, these things probably go get a
Yeah, let's go get some
pipe.
squirts. Work with this side first.
I'll have to run back down.
Huh?
Said I'll have to run back down.
What?
Forgot the bolts.
Bolts? No, you said these.
Oh
probably
yeah,
are
that's
it.
right. That's right. Never mind.
Is it moving?
I can't tell.
You can go back and forth with it.
This thing's probably never been off of here.
Right. Moving?
I don't know, I can't tell. Is it moving on the bottom?
Well, yeah, it's got to be. Because it's moving easy.
Alright. It's free. Yep, there it goes.
Oh, nice. Just for shits and giggles, see what happens. It broke it off. No way. Yep. Well, let's see if we get one out so we know the thread size.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah, but when I put heat to it, it's gonna burn that all off.
Yeah, that's right.
It's the heat that you need, not that shit. Check this out. Let me get it good and hot, good and as heated up as I can. Let me go with this. In that wooden cabinet where this thing is, there's 2 brand new tanks.
Okay.
Try it. I can't see if the whole thing's turning or not. I suppose it don't matter. Fucking son of a bitch. Get my flashlight on so I can see the end of this. All right. Yeah, it's turning. The whole thing's, yeah. Can you work it? Yeah. It's turning. Turning. All right. Yeah, fuck. You get the tractor down the garage. It's only a tack welded nut underneath. So you can literally save your other handle and just put a different, you know, weld another bolt to it and weld on another underneath.
Only problem is, this is attached to the loader.
What?
This is attached to the loader.
Oh. Oh, well, whatever. We'll figure it out. All right. Well, take that fucker down the garage and we'll find out. We'll get one for this side. Where does that attach? The rods. Once they're on, where do they go?
On the ground.
Oh.
I'll have to start it up and I'll have to read.
I know, but the feet are.
I know. I got the manual. I don't know if you're supposed to have them touching the ground or you leave the bucket level and then lift
Right.
it up.
Well, we need that, yeah.
So we got those off. One of them broke, so we'll have to cut that nut off or find a different way of attaching that. Got the supports in. Now we got to take these off here. These guys to slide this out of here. At least I think that's how it works. Yeah, that's got to come out of there.
I think you got to lift the loader out of the socket before we disconnect the lines.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so that's just a jam nut on that. And then they both come out and then this whole thing comes out. Smack it with the hand. Alright. And then these we use once the loader's off.
Oh, what do those do?
They stand on this.
How do they come off?
I think probably easier if we take the loader off to get them out of there. They should be able to come out.
Well, there's something. Oh, I see. They go backwards.
Yeah. All right.
Give me the hammer.
Ta-da. It'd be weird without a loader, right?
Now these go where?
When we stand it up, they go somewhere on here. I gotta look at the manual.
Maybe in the hole?
Yeah, maybe.
That was just took the... Quick detach my ass. Quick detach what you do from the seat.
Yeah. All right. Oh, okay.
Wow.
That's it.
That's it? Now what? Yeah, do that. The other way. Out.
Oh. Whoops. Dang it.
Maybe you back up and then will it go out like that anymore? Yeah. A little more. Alright, hold on. That must be with these switch clips.
Oh yeah, probably. Right there.
A little crack right there. No, that's from the bend. Never mind. Unplug your lights. We gotta cut the wire.
No, they'll be free.
Huh?
They'll be free.
Oh, I see. Yeah, they're attached to the tractor.
Yeah. So there's those two hydraulics, and then the quicks, and then that quick.
Well, I got a feeling we're gonna need the hammer to get those couplers to
go. Think so?
Tap the couplers.
All right.
No, that one came right out.
Well, that's not a good sign.
This one here will need something to pop it back because I can't get my fingers on it.
All right.
This one came right out. Like the claws on the hammer to tap that. Oh, never mind. She's done.
That was too easy.
I wonder if they were smart enough. They were. Keeps the shit out of it.
All right. Back it out of here and
just watch your wires in case something's caught.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say something really stupid. Back up and I'll throw the shit in the bucket.
Yeah. Throw.
You want to take your bush hog off?
Yeah, we can. I guess throw those pieces in those little holes there. So what I thought was an hydraulic leak is actually potentially the seal for the front drive shaft is leaking, and then leaking into this, and then coming out this hole right here. So we'll have to change this seal out, fill all this back up with oil, and go from there. So that means I got a lot to take apart. So see what happens. next thing, I'm going to take the hood off, which is these here. Get these cotter pins out of here and pray that that bolt will come out, which probably won't. Probably end up breaking it. No? I like the way you think. You're all done? Yeah. Alright, go throw it in the garbage.
Which one?
It don't matter. Any of those barrels over there. No, over here.
Why?
Over there by the bench. See the barrels?
Oh. Oh. Yes.
Which one? Sure. That works. That works. Alright, now I'm gonna try heating these up. So hopefully they come out. That one doesn't look too bad. This one looks pretty snotty, so. What are you doing?
Just keeping this on.
I'm heating it up so I can get the bolt out. It worked. Oh, maybe not. Spoke too soon. side down, other side to go.
What's up, buddy? Well, you got one on the impact, but I don't know where the hell all the batteries are.
I have one at my house, one of the big ones.
Why is it taking off?
Melted that. Be careful, it's hot right where your hand is.
I don't know how the hell it unplugs. What the hell? I can't see where there's a clip. Hang on.
I'll have to fix
Why
that.
you take this off? Why you take this off?
So that's where I'm going to end on for this today. We will get this front end taken out of here. See what seals we need to get it to stop leaking. Got the hood off. I did replace the O-ring on this on the injector because it was weeping out and leaking, and now it's nice and dry. It was all wet before, so but yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it for today, and we'll get back at it shortly.